Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I made the spicy yummy noodles using mixed vegetables. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this, do not go away, keep on watching. So guys, our spicy noodles is ready. It was really tasty and yummy. And guys, note that you can always add tomato to your mixed vegetables, depends on you. Just that I don't like adding tomato to my noodles that much. So we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.